Hello everyone! This weekend is a special time in Japan because it's Sports Day, a national holiday dedicated to celebrating fitness and sports. And when we think of Sports Day, one big event comes to my mind, Undoukai. Today, I want to share a bit about this fun and energetic event that is a huge part of Japanese culture.Make sure to stick around because I'll also talk about the delicious homemade lunches that families enjoy on this day. So, what is Sports Day? Sports Day or 体育の日 was originally established to commemorate the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. It's a day to promote a healthy lifestyle and encourage physical activity across the country.Schools, communities, and even companies organize events that bring people together through fitness and fun. But what really makes this day exciting is the traditional Undokai. What's Undokai, you ask? It's a sports festival that's held in schools and communities across Japan. Think of it like a huge field day or a sports competition, but with a very special Japanese twist. It's not just about winning, but about teamwork, spirit, and bringing everyone together, from kids to grandparents. Here's a quick look at what you might see at an Undoukai. The classic event. Teams of students or family members running relay races.It's a fast-paced, fun competition where everyone gives their best effort. You've probably seen this before. A game where two teams pull on a rope to see who can pull the other across the line. But here, it's serious business with entire classes competing. This is a crowd favorite. In tamaire, teams try to toss small balls into a high basket.It looks simple, but it's a lot harder than it seems. Many schools also put on performances, including choreographed dances or kumitaiso, which is group gymnastics. These activities symbolize unity as everyone moves together in harmony. But it's not just for students.One of the coolest things about Undoukai is that the whole community can get involved. Parents, grandparents, teachers, and even neighbors participate in events or cheer on the students. In some cases, adults will join relay races, and sometimes there's even a competition between parents and teachers. It's a wonderful way to strengthen community bonds.What's truly special about Undoukai is the spirit behind it. Even if students aren't athletic, they cheer each other on, work together, and support their teammates. It's less about winning and more about participation and doing your best. Now, let's talk about something just as important as the sports, the lunch.Undoukai is a full-day event, and the whole family gathers together to enjoy a special homemade lunch during the break. The Undoukai bento is a highlight of the day for many, and it's prepared with great care. You see colorful bento boxes packed with all sorts of delicious food like rice balls, fried chicken, Japanese rolled omelette, sausages, seasonal fruits, and more.It's a mini feast that refuels the kids and adults for the rest of the day. Families often sit together on picnic blankets, sharing stories of the morning's events, digging into their carefully prepared meals. These bento boxes are not just about food, they are a way for families to bond and share in the joy of the day. So, if you ever visit Japan during Sports Day, I recommend checking out an Undoukai.It's a unique and heartwarming event that showcases the values of teamwork, community, and friendly competition. Whether you are running a race, cheering from the sidelines, or just enjoy the performances and food, it's all about coming together for a day of fun and fitness. Thanks for watching. If you liked learning about Japan's Undokai, give this video a thumbs up. And let me know what kind of sports events are popular in your country. I'll see you next time. The Oen Gassen, which means cheering battle, is not just about encouraging each other before or during events. It is considered a competition in itself. That's why no other events take place while the performance is ongoing. The focus is on how well the performance is executed. Under the leadership of a cheering squad captain, they practice tirelessly every day, delivering a powerful performance that moves many spectators every year. The cheering squads are different from Western-style cheerleading. Dressed in traditional school uniforms, they use drums and flags to perform an energetic routine.